If you don't love spending cash but still want fresh clothes, let me show you how to play Dance Dance Revolution with your washer's dial. Hey, fellow budget savers, ever dealt with a washer that has more mood swings than a reality TV star at a reunion show? Before you empty your wallet on a repair service that costs more than your laundry detergent supply for a year, try this nifty trick. Step 1. Seize that dial like it owes you money. Now whirl it counterclockwise all the way. Feeling like a DJ yet? Great, you're on the right track. Next, here comes the video game part. Turn it 3 notches to the right, quick flick back 1 notch to the left, and then 1 more notch to the right. If it starts blinking like a disco, congrats, you've just cracked the cheat code to diagnostic mode. Now spin that dial 4 clicks to the right and smack that start button like it's the buzzer on a game show. This little tango with your appliance resets it back to its factory innocence. Hang tight for a few, and if all stars align, that lid will pop open and the beast will shut down, tamed and reset. If not, well, it's not your dance moves, it's the stubborn machine. Time to check those error codes. Oh, there you go. You've just added years to your washer and kept your cash where it belongs, in your pocket. Try this out and drop a comment below if it turns your nightmare into a fairy tale. And if you enjoyed this hack, smash that like button. It's the best way to keep these life-saving tricks coming. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, never let a rogue appliance outsmart you. You've got this, even if you're as mechanically inclined as a spoon. Catch you in the next video.